Hello. This is our reviewing our Pokemon card videos.
We got 10 Phantasmal and 4 Perfect Order, right?
Yep. We're going to start with next is going to be this one.
Go ahead, rip it open.
Break. No.
What'd you get?
That's my first one.
That's your first one?
Yes.
Oh, we got a good one off the start.
Oh.
Clefairy.
Wait, I didn't show this one. Hang on.
Oh, you like that?
Yep. Wait.
Okay, you know, the next card's gonna be your best one, so let's see what you get.
Wait.
Oh, that's your good card right there. That's a cool one.
That's what I got.
It's a cool one. It's a good one. The Rotom.
Oh!
It's a good card.
Yeah, guys, he's lucky today.
See what you get. Show them Genesect. That's cool.
I got Genesect.
Keep going. Don't cheat. Don't be cheating. Show the screen. Let's take them down one at a time. Yeah, what's the problem?
Yep.
Oh, what's another nice card?
Wait. Holy moly!
Oh, there you go.
Oh!
Oh.
I got this one, guys. Wait,
Hold
that's the
up
one
for
I
me.
got.
You like that one? Keep going.
Wait, is that a good one?
Ooh. Show it to him. Hold it up to him. It's a cool EX.
Last packs, guys.
So hopefully last pack magic, right?
Yep, the last pack magic. I gotta go with the other cards.
Mm-hmm.
Show the guys, okay, Dad?
Yeah, show them, don't we?
Charmander.
We love the Charmander.
Yep, we love the Charmander. Wait.
Rotom.
Trainer.
And the Piplup.
Where do you put these at?
Show me your rest of your cards, the EXs and your Valplume.
Mushroom. Valplume.
Mushroom.